Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a Cartier unboxing. So I think that you will be interested. Make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. Okay, so it has the Cartier box. Okay, so it has the white paper. All of this. Oh, so they did include the shopping bag. Okay, so I actually went inside the store to try everything on, but my home tax is a lot cheaper. It's like $200 different, so I wanted to save on, you know, the tax. So I got it mailed to my house. So maybe that's why they like did it in the shopping bag. So let's see what's inside. So I know this is the, what is this? The care box. Okay, so this is the cleaning stuff. It comes with the spray, the little cloth, and then the care box. And then this is my certificates. Should have both of them. Okay, yeah. So this is the first certificate. And then this is the second one. So as you can tell, I have two items. And then, let's see. So I have the cleaning, the two certificates. And then we have the travel case, which she did tell me that she was going to include. And it's just red. And then it has the Cartier. And then it has, you know, the little pillow. That is so cute. And we have our first box. And our second box. Ah! Here's the box. It just says Cartier. The gold. Oh my god, it's like a box and then a box and a box. Okay. So then this is the actual box that's inside. So let's open it up. And then we have the Love bracelets. So time for the second one. I'm sure it's no surprise, but you already know what it is. Of course, it's going to be the matching Juste Clou. Juste Clou. So pretty. And I got the small size in both of them. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This is how it looks. I think this is how I'm gonna wear it, just like with the nail like this. Honestly, I don't know about this bracelet, about this little rope. I don't know how I feel about this stag. Let me know what y'all think, but oh my god. And then this how it looks with my rings. Oh my god, obviously you can tell how really happy and excited I am. I have been wanting this for like so long, like so many years. So yeah, like I knew the price increase was coming and it just didn't make sense for me to just keep waiting just for like the perfect moment, and like it just keeps getting more expensive. So I was like, you know what, like I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And found out that you could do like a deposit, so you can kind of lock in that price. So say like the price increase is tomorrow, but say I do a deposit today, I can lock in that price even though I might pick it up, you know, 2 days, 3 days later. And obviously I would have to travel to, you know, to the store. And I didn't really want to order online. Like I wanted to try it on and, you know, just like make sure I had the right size, because like I had tried it on like a couple times in store, but like, you know, like this is such a big purchase. I just want to make sure that the sizing was perfect. So yeah, so I did the deposit. And I saw the deposit, it can be like 40% to 50%, but this sales associate asked for 50%. So I did 50% of the price. And then I went in the store maybe like a week later, or maybe like, yeah, like a week or a week and a half later. And then, you know, I paid the rest, obviously. And then while I was in the store, I just wanted to like make sure because, you know, on the sizing. So this is a size 15 in the Juste Clou and then 16 in the Love. So basically like not the smallest size you can get, but the the second smallest size that you can get. So I know I look totally different, but it's because my camera actually died in the middle of me filming, and I still wanted to keep like my true unboxing footage. So yeah, I'm just finishing the video off now. I feel like I should talk about like pricing, so I'm gonna get my receipt out. So there is going to be a price increase literally next week. So, well, I'm gonna post this on Sunday. So this Wednesday, when you're seeing this, is gonna be a price increase. So, and I've been told that it's gonna be 10%. So whatever the price is now, add 10%. The Juste Clou was $4,180, and then the Love was $5,300. So like I said, this is before the price increase. That is my unboxing / review. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. And you guys make sure that you click that hype button. Apparently that's really good for like small creators. So make sure that you guys click that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat.